Hi, it's Charlie, and today this is my first ever YouTube video. I usually do videos on Instagram, and if you want to go and follow that down below. I do makeup and fashion, which I'm actually going to start doing on my makeup account as well. So if you also, again, want to follow that. Today I will be doing a makeup tutorial, which on my Instagram I'm doing a Halloween theme since it's October, and which my first post that I did, because I do one look every day for this month, and for my first look I did half blank and then half makeup, which I'm just going to do full face of that makeup instead because I thought it looked good, and so I was like, why not just do a full face of it instead of just doing half off. So here I am doing it. So let's get to it. So first off, I'm going to start with my eyebrows, and I'm going to be using the liquid, and I'm using number 1 of Perdera. I have trouble pronouncing this brand. Also, I'm going to be using this brush with it. So first I'm going to draw a line under my eyebrow. As you can tell, I made a mistake, but that's okay, I can clean it up with the foundation later. And I'm just going to continue drawing a line just to start the shape. And now I'm going to do a line over the top of the eyebrow and then fill in the rest. Now you all don't know this, but I use eyeshadow. The reason why I use eyeshadow is because it helps me shape the eyebrow even more sharper and to fill in the gaps that I missed with the liquid. And it comes out with a really great result. Now that I've done my eyebrows, I am now using my foundation because I've run out of concealer, and so I'm replacing it with my foundation to clean up my eyebrows. The foundation I'm using is Stay Matte, and it's the shade 200 Soft Beige. Not sure if you guys do this, but I put the foundation on my eyelid. The reason why I do this is because it helps the eyeshadow stay put in place, and it's also another way to easy quick time instead of putting a whole eyeshadow base thing, and it's really easy and simple to do it. Now that I've done that, I am now going to put my foundation on all over my face. When and how I started doing makeup was when I was at least 10 years old, and then I only had a few little things only at once. Like I had one eyeshadow palette that had like 3 colors, and then I would have one little lip gloss, and that was pretty much it. And I would get a little more each Christmas, and as those years went on, I would practice and look myself, like once I finished looking in the mirror and everything, I'll be like, yep, done. I didn't have a phone back then, so I couldn't like take pictures or show anybody them, so I would just wipe it all off and then try another look. Until when I was in high school a few years ago, in grade 8, I joined the school dance team, and then since we had to wear full face makeup and everything, I had to like practice even more, but with more makeup, so I had no experience to learn and everything. As in grade 8 the year went on, I just created more looks, but I had a phone this time, so I would take photos of it and I would post it on my Snapchat. I got to grade 9 and I had an Instagram account in grade 9, and I would post only at least a photo of me wearing makeup rarely up there. Like I was only just starting to gain the confidence to actually like put it up there, because on Snapchat I will leave it only for a few seconds and then I'll take it down because I wasn't more confident in myself. And then I had all this makeup, and then I would video myself, take photos, but I wouldn't show anybody. And this year I was thinking maybe I feel confident enough, I feel I'm okay at makeup to like make a whole different account and just only put photos up there just only for like a start to see how it goes and to just pretty much see how it went, like to see if like people actually liked how my style and how I presented the makeup and everything. A few months into my account, I decided to start making videos and to like try to edit them the best I could to like try to be like how everybody else was, you know, because how everybody likes to be the same, you know what I mean. Now I'm going to put my powder on, which is Pressed Powder Tan. And then after I started making videos, I thought maybe since I didn't like having just doing like recording at least an hour trying to do this little short video for people just to watch for a minute, I had like a feeling that I like to talk in the videos at the same time and like explain what I'm doing and more. Today actually I thought of the idea of making a YouTube channel. So on this day today I actually thought of making a YouTube channel and now I'm here. And so that's my story of how I got here and why. For this look, it's not such a big look, it's more of just focus on the eyes less than on the lips. Now I may not sound like I probably try to sound like a pro when really I'm not. I'm still learning. Like I'm pretty sure a lot of people are more than me. Like there's probably just beginners now, like a lot of them. And I don't think anyone's a pro at makeup. I'm pretty sure everybody reaches to the same level, so they're the same. On my Instagram account, on my makeup, not my main one, because I have two accounts, but I'm more focused on my makeup account at the moment. I have started an October series thing where each day I do a Halloween look. And so if you want to check it out, I'll put my account names down below and you should go check it out. I am following a lot of people at the moment and liking their photos, so you might come across yours and follow you and like you. Yes, I do use a small brush for this. That's only because I don't have a big brush at the moment because it disappeared. And so this is the only brush that is the biggest. At the moment I am a bit limited on makeup because I haven't bought makeup in, well, I haven't bought any makeup, it's all my mom. So shout out to her. So this is pretty much my contour and powder and highlight. I know if very experienced makeup people watch this and they're cringing so much saying, why are you using a small brush? That's because I have lost my big brush and I haven't got time to buy a new one. For contour I am using this. I am using this shade. As you can tell I use this one a lot and I'm just going to contour. I have many bad experiences with contour. Sometimes I would have one low down here and then one higher than the other, or it would be like my nose, it would be like you would only see two brown strips. It's like so difficult for me. I mean, I don't really usually contour on my nose. Like I feel like my nose is okay in a way. Like it doesn't need that much contouring at all. But like I know like the trenders have like the slim skinny nose, but like I don't think everyone needs a skinny nose. Like they're perfect the way they are. But makeup is pretty much an art. Like people don't well, some people do because they're insecure in that, but that's perfectly fine. But people usually use makeup for an art and like to express how they really are on the inside. Like, it's just an art. Like, people make so many creations using makeup, and it's like there are so many talented people in this world. It's not even, it's crazy. And there's still plenty more to come. I know there's going to be so many more amazing talented makeup artists that's going to create new trends. Like, we've had so many makeup trends from so many talented people, and it's like not even, it's mind-blowing. Now for highlight, I have run down of my highlight, so I'm using a really white sparkly eyeshadow. And that eyeshadow is this palette, and I'll be using this white here for the highlight. If you're watching this and I'm doing anything wrong, please tell me what I need to work on, because that'll actually really help me. It doesn't bother me if it's negative, because I can easily work on it. Like, it won't bother me. It would just help me in a way to be better at makeup and everything. Now we're gonna do the eyes. The eyes is a rainbow, and with this rainbow eye look, it's just like a gentle rainbow. It's like not so intense. It's just out there. Like, it's intense but not at the same time. So if you're looking for that kind of look, came to the right place. So what we're starting off with is this yellow from this palette. It's BYS01 Intense Pigments, as you can tell. Using this yellow to cover the whole lid. When I do eyeshadow, I struggle to like keep my eyes relaxed, because usually I would have them raised up, and with my type of skin, my forehead crinkles, like you can see it. If I like raise my eyebrows like just to do my eyeshadow, it would create more crinkles, and it kind of annoys me sometimes. But I have learned and practiced to like not do that, because every time I do it, it actually so annoys me. And not even like patting it down with the sponge, it like wouldn't go away. So every time I do it, I'll get so annoyed because it won't go away, and it'll just stay there and it'll make the look so bad. Now we're using this eyeshadow. I don't have the lid for it because it also broke off. Sorry, it doesn't have the brand. Oh, the brand is Be Yourself eyeshadow palette, but it doesn't tell you which one. And I am using this pink here, and we're gonna do the lid but not all the way up to the top, and make it fade in between the yellow and pink. The outsides, we're just blending it and buffing it out just so you can create a little effect like that. I forgot what you call it, but like, you'll probably understand what I'm trying to say. Now using this palette, Magnifies Color Edition. This is 004, and now we're going to use this purple here. We're doing the same thing what we did to the pink, but spread it less everywhere. Now we're doing a cut crease. Again, I'm using my foundation since I don't have concealer, as you already know. Now that we've cut the crease, we are using the same yellow that we did before, which is this yellow, and we're going to put it on the inner corner. The reason why I chose to do this look first was because it is kind of simple and easy to do. So like, if you're going to like a party or something and it's like you want to be colourful, I don't know, I just thought it was cute, small and simple. It's only just focusing on the eyes, like I also said before. Like, we're only doing the eyes most. Usually when I can't explain things, I just do that. Now that we've done that, we are using this blue from the same palette that we used with the purple, and we're going to put it right next to the yellow. The better the blend, the better it will look. especially when you have your eyes closed. Finish the blue, we are using this green from the palette that we got the yellow from, and it's going to be this green, and we're going to put it right next to where we put the blue. Finally, after we've done that, we are doing the last colour that we're putting on our eyes, which is from the same palette, and we're going to use this dark purple shade. We are putting this purple on the outer corner just so you can add some darkness, and you blend it with the green. To finish that, we're just going to highlight the eyebrows and the inner corner of our eyes, and then we're going to put some mascara on. What I'm using for the highlighter for inner corners is this pink from where we got the yellow and the green from, this highlighted pink. And we're just going to put that in the inner corners. For mascara, I'm using this. The brand has rubbed off somehow, but I'm using this for mascara. If you have false eyelashes, you can also use them for this look. Finish out, we're doing the lips now. For lips, I am using this matte lipstick and a lip gloss. This lipstick is shade 1, and this lip gloss is... doesn't say. That concludes this look today. Thank you for watching, if you actually watched the full video. So here's a completed look, as you can tell from before, which I did a little show. Have the colours, and the lips were a different shade than I wanted it to be, but that is fine. You can do whatever you want with the lips, to be honest. I just expect this look just to be focused on the eyes more than the lips and the rest of the face. I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe and turn on those notifications for new videos like this, and please comment down below any other makeup looks or trends or anything, any ideas you want me to do for this channel. And I hope you enjoy, and I'll see you next time. Bye.